Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Designing the best outdoor kitchen involves blending functionality and aesthetics to create a space that only serves as a culinary hub but also enhances your outdoor living experience. One popular idea is that rustic outdoor kitchen, when combines natural materials like stone and wood to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. For those seeking a modern touch, sleek stainless steel appliances and countertops can transform your outdoor space into a contemporary cooking heaven. Maximizing the use of a space is a key, and a compact L-shaped kitchen design can both efficient and visually appealing. Additionally, incorporating elements like a built-in grill, a well-equipped bar area, and comfortable seating arrangements can make your outdoor kitchen the perfect spot for entertaining guests. Don't forget to consider lighting, landscaping, and shelter options like pergolas or wings to make your outdoor kitchen functional year-round. Whether you prefer a traditional rustic or modern look, these designs can help you create the best outdoor kitchen for your needs and style preferences. Best outdoor kitchen involves blending functionality and aesthetics to create a space that not only serve as a culinary hub but also enhance your outdoor living experiences. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design YouTube channel.